Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave it so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to be doing a junky old computer mouse. I just got a new one and the old one it doesn't work. I mean, I guess it technically does, but the scroll wheel's broke. You hit the mouse buttons and it brings up that cross-shaped thing that auto-scrolls the page. And it shifts to make you click on things you don't want to. So I don't want to hear, "Oh, you should have donated that to charity." Because what the hell is some poor person going to want with a mouse that don't even work? Not a goddamn thing. Anyways, here's Lee the microwave. And I'm going to enhance this a little because it might not do all that much. I'm going to stuff it with a wet nap and the packaging. There you go. Lots of smoking, no flaming. Right, let's examine the post product and mouse smoke. Don't breathe this. It's a little melty, but no fire. I'm gonna still have to say this is a dangerous idea. I mean, it smells like ass and gonna really smoke up the house, and it could have caught fire. The smoke could be toxic. So you really don't want to do this at home, and it possibly could have caught fire. However, I am disappointed that it didn't. So here's something a lot of people have been wanting to see, and I finally did it, and it sucked. Mouse in the microwave. There you go.